Dear Amazon sellers, did you know a simple change to your Amazon listing can double your sales? In this video, I will show you how A/B testing can turn an average listing into a bestseller listing. I manage and optimize Amazon brands. I have run A/B testing that have increased conversion rate by almost 100%. What actually is A/B testing? It's an Amazon free feature that allows you to set A/B test in which you can compare the versions of your main image, A plus content, title, description, even brand story. And you will have all the stats in front of you after this test, and you can use the best performing version. Here is an example in which we have changed only one thing of our listing and performed this A/B testing, and the conversion results was amazing. In our previous listing, the conversion was 0.077%, and in the testing phase, we noticed the conversion is increased by almost 90%. And imagine if you were getting 100 visitors on your listing and you were getting 5 sales, and now your conversion is doubled. Now you can expect 10 sales from the same number of visitors. So it can increase your sales by 100%. Let's proceed. I will guide you and I will show you live how exactly to set this up that will convert your listings better. Let's proceed. On Amazon, if you are a brand registered seller, you will see this feature in the brand section, Manage Experiments. On the Manage Experiments page, you can start or manage any of the existing A/B testings. Let's proceed with starting a new one, create a new experiment. We can choose here what we want to test. Like this is a comparison of A plus content, bullet points, product main image, product images, product title, A plus brand story. So in this product, we want to test product main image. Even you can start with product main image that because it is the most important role, it is the most important thing in your listing, product images and the bullet point. Let's proceed with product images. First of all, we will choose a product on which we want to run this A/B testing. By the way, this feature is ineligible on many of the listing due to low traffic. So your listing must have good number of traffic, good number of visitors before starting it. Let's proceed. We will choose our product from here. By the way, this was a variation listing, so Amazon have chosen all the variations, but we will apply just on one variation. That's why I deselected all and I will choose the respected variation on which I want to run this A/B testing. I will upload the image that I want to show in compare with the previous image. That's it. I have uploaded, and now we have to upload it for the parent image as well. By the way, this will not be displayed on the product detail page. Parents are not displaying on the product detail page. So I have uploaded the main image here, and I will click on schedule the experiment. After scheduling it, I will click on view details, and I can choose any number of dates, set duration. I am setting it for 4 weeks. Starting date is I have already chosen earliest possible, so it automatically giving me a start date, which is almost 1 week from today. And then I will give it a name like product images. I will give it product name so I can have idea whenever I'm visiting this page. So I've given this the product name, and then I will choose submit changes. Amazon system will validate it. After validation, it can take up to like 72 hours. It will automatically start it, and we can track all the events. Like first, it will be done validation. Once it's approved, it will be mark here the validation, and then experiment will be started on our given date. After that, we will have initial results after 1 week, and the same thing after 3 to 4 weeks. When the duration is ended up, we will have all the results like this. As I have shown you earlier, we will have all the results like this, and then we can compare these results and we can choose which version we want to display for permanently on our listings. By the way, we can even select that automatically Amazon will choose our winning contribution. So whatever is performing well, Amazon will automatically choose for our listing. We can uncheck it and we can decide manually as well. That's it. It's how you can set your A/B testing and you can increase your sales. Now, while anyone can technically run an A/B testing, but most sellers either don't know what to test or pick random changes. Like they don't know what should be in the testing, like main image, title, or the A plus content, brand story. And even if they are testing, they are not changing, they are not adding value to the second version. So what is meaning of that test? We must add some value, we must add some better images, some better SEO optimized content, so we can have clear difference and we can have better results. That's where I came in. I help Amazon sellers not only run A/B tests but also provide full catalog optimization, PPC management, and consultation services to take their business to the next level. If you are stuck, your sales are stuck, and you are not growing on Amazon in 2025 or 2026, this is not simple. You need professional services, and we can help you to grow your business. Thanks for watching our video. And if you need our services, please contact us.